Hey, we're at Dickinson Bayou in Dickinson, Texas. It's Texas Gulf Coast down by Galveston, kind of sort of. Me and stuff. I'm going to it's over there. I'm going to try to fly a drone right up there, and then we'll look at the bayou, see what it looks like from up there. So yeah, when I was a kid, I was raised in this town, and I haven't been here in a long time. So this will be interesting. You're one. Here's what's it doing up there? Hey, here's a little Skyy. Skyy.
Go for a walk on that trail.
Camera. There you go. Yeah, we're in Dickinson, Texas. Right over there is a Catholic school. When I was in 3rd grade, I got kicked out of school, and they banished me off the Catholic school. And we lived in Dickinson at the time. But yeah, it was pretty cool. Nuns set me straight. It was right over that way over there. Come on, Skyy, let's go over here. I'll check that out. We won't be doing that, but what do you smell? Okay, this way. Check that out. There's like a trail that goes all along the bayou here. No, Skyy, I'm too lazy for all that. I will fly the drone over here, though. So yeah, it's like 103, I think, out here. So it's hot. Move it. Hey, what are you eating? Don't do that. There are alligators out here probably, but you know, Skyy could take care of them. Yeah, so you can tell the sky's getting hot. Luckily, there's some clouds and shade coming in. It was scorching earlier, no clouds. Imagine being on that mud down there. It's like quicksand. I think I'm going to break out the Avata 2 drone now. I'll fly around this walkway and stuff. I think Brad's over here messing around. Oh, here's a bird. Let's try to get to the bird. Is that alligator going to get him right there? Quack, 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 quack. Hey, birdie, birdie. Over here, over here. Paul Hopkins Interpretive Trail. You can interpret anything you want. There's a pelican, a heron, lots of stuff. And snakes. Like right here. These things will kill you. There's a species of brad. Oh.
Not out of the bottle.
Full of electrolytes. I'm sure it's good for dogs.
Skyy at the duck lodge, that's all he gave his dog. He wouldn't even give it water.
He just gave him Gatorade.
Gatorade.
I guess it's, yeah, salt and stuff.
It was a little fat, but
There it is, Dickinson Bayou. I don't think Dickinson has anything historic that ever happened here. Gene Lafitte was not too far from here, I guess, but he really wasn't a Dickinson. There's a kid in an awesome house over there. Starting to cool off a little bit. I'm sweating big time. So yeah, that's my Dickinson trip. Thanks for clicking on this thing. Be sure to like and subscribe for more weird videos, art bell, music trivia, comedy videos. They're usually like old, because that's when things were funny. So anyway, hope everyone's having a great week, or night, or day. Oh wait, what do we got?